At 22, I had a degree, no job, and $12,000 in student loans. I cried in my car after seeing the balance. But 2 years later, it was gone. This is how I did it and how you can too. Her name is Maya. She graduated in 2023 with a communications degree. Entry-level jobs paid $14 per hour. Her loan payment? $280 per month. She couldn't afford rent, food, and payments. She deferred at first, avoided the emails, but interest grew. In 6 months, her balance went up $400 without spending a dime. One night, she watched a video about the debt avalanche method. She made a plan. She cut subscriptions, moved in with a friend, and started selling digital planners on Etsy, tracked every dollar using Google Sheets, took microtasks 10-15 gigs, used Avalanche method and gained highest interest first, celebrated small wins. 100 paid off equals coffee treat. In 18 months, she paid off $12,000. Not with a six-figure job, just consistency. You don't need to be rich to be free. You just need a plan. If this helped, subscribe. Next video, I will share with you how I got scammed trying to make money and how I recovered.